Hello everyone, this is Christy. In this video, I'm going to show you something new. I'm a guest designer of Scrap Diva Designs, and these are dies that I received from Erica. She is a Scrap Diva 29 in YouTube, and she's a great crafter. She makes amazing designs using dies, and I will leave the link of her channel in the description box so you can go visit her and see all the things that she makes. Now I'm going to open this package and show you. She has a store and she's selling her own designs. So I'm going to show you what she has now. And here's a card with her logo and it says Scrap Diva Designs. This is a heart with lace edge. And right here there are many pieces. You can make many things. So there are lots of words and they have a backing. That's amazing. And also everything is related to crafts. See, I'm going to show you in a minute. Then right here, this is a glue gun, and right here it has the backing that it can be folded so you can use it for decorating a happy meal. And here is a set of 5 tags, and this has stitches right here and also scallop edge at the bottom. And there are many sizes. These are bows and you can use it with pencils or straws. And look, this is a tote, a mini tote right here that has all the pieces. Right here is the handle and there are more pieces right here, and I'm very excited to show you how it looks and what you can do with this. Then right here there is a word die that says eat, sleep, craft, repeat, and it has a backing right here. So awesome for cards or to decorate everything. Then right here, this is a cute tape holder that you can make like a shaker and also use it to embellish anything that's crafty. Lots of crafty stuff. And right here there is a set of scissors, and I'm going to show you. You can make shakers or use it like for decoration only. And it has 2 different sizes right here, the big one and the small one. And the last one is this set of bows, and they have hearts right here all around. I'm going to show you. Look, see? And there are 2 different sizes right here, 2 different sizes, and all these pieces that you can use to decorate in different colors. So I'm going to start making my samples and I'll be right back to show you how it looks. This is how I use the paper balls right here. As you can see, the small ones fit on a straw, and you can decorate them with anything in the center. And it's going to be great to decorate your stuff for parties. The big bowl can fit on a pencil, and you can decorate with something on top. I'm using this hard die. And this one has 3 layers. This one is for the white border. Then this die is for the inside. And the last one is the top that says crafty. And this one is the big heart. Right here, I put it on a tag, and as you can see the difference of the sizes. And if you have acetate with these 3 layers, you can make a shaker card too. And I use this die for the tag, and this is the biggest one of 5 dies. And I cut the other 4 sizes so you can see, and it has stitches all around. I use this die set for the bow, and as you can see it has many pieces so you can decorate like this. It has a lace edge with little hearts around. And I decorated the center with this little flower. And here is a sample of the small size. And this is the die set for the scissors. As you can see, I put the small scissors right here in this tag, and this is how they look. See? you get one that it's open and steady, and this can be the base. I use it for the foam board to make it dimensional, and then I cut the other pieces for the top. You also get these hearts to decorate the color of your scissors, and this is how it looks on that tag. And here is the big size of the scissor set. You can use them as a base, or you can add the embellishment and just make a pair of scissors like this. I made this card using the big scissors. I use a brad in the center, and as you can see, these hearts are the ones that I cut out from here. And for this card, I just glue a piece of paper and I just make some cuts here so it can go with the word that says paper hugs. And here are the two sizes that you can make with this set. Here is another set of dies, and this is a tape dispenser, and I use it right here on this tag. In this set, you get two different designs. This one has stitches and the other one has hearts. As you can see, this die has stitches, and you can barely see it because of the pattern paper. And the other die has 3 hearts on the side. And for this tag, I use foam board to make it dimensional. This is another set of dies, and it comes with 8 words that comes with a backing, so you can have it in 2 different colors. And this is the word that says create, and it looks like this. And this is the word that says paper hugs, and I use it in my card. And this is the word that says crafty girl that I use on this card. And this is the word that says happy mail. And here is one that says cute and crafty. And this one is a hashtag craft life. And there is this one that says hugs. And the last one that says crafty. And this one is a die of a glue gun. As you can see right here, it has this shape and you can embellish with different colors. It comes with the backing and also the pieces to make it in different colors. And with this one, I cut the gold paper that you see on the sample. And with this one, you can cut the pieces that go inside. This one is a gift bag topper, and I'm going to give you a sample with one item. For example, right here, you can put Happy Mail and put this decoration on top. I know that you can make your own embellishments, and maybe you can share with a friend with something nice like this. You can also cut in the center and make an embellishment. I made one to embellish this card that says, Happy Birthday, Crafty Girl. And here is another die, and this one I use in a card, and it says, Eat, Sleep, Craft, Repeat. And this one is great for sending to your crafty friends. And the last set of dies is this one that makes a mini tote. And this is my sample. I made a functional mini tote that I can use for decorating my craft room, or I can have it handy on my desk. You can also fill it with goodies and send it in a happy mail. I added some gussets right here, and I made a big pocket that you can use to save some stuff. And I also added the big part that makes it dimensional, and I added these pockets on the sides. And because this one is not added on the die set, I'm going to make a tutorial on a separate video and share with you how I made it. Visit the store and grab yours faster because there is a limited quantity. In my mini tote, I saved some sample of pom-poms and my pom-pom makers. I also saved some scissors and needles for my next project. I saved some twine on the side pockets, and here I just used a tassel to embellish the bag. See, I used a paper clip and I just hang it up here. Then on these front pockets, I'm going to put some embroidery floss that I use for journals. In that tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this cut up here, because in that die, you have everything covered. And I'll show you how to make it stronger. And also, in this tote, you can save some small stuff like this, or some washi tape that you want to have it handy on your desk, and also some scraps of papers. I cut lots of scraps of papers at 4x4, and it fits inside. Look, lots of scraps, and you can have it ready if you like to do embellishments or cards. And you can save some die cuts that are ready to use on the pockets. Look, it fits in here. I'm in love with this mini tote, and I'm so excited to share with you how to make one. Thank you, Scrap Diva Designs, for these amazing dies. The link of the store is going to be in the description box, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.